Hello everyone, my name is Lily from Darin. Today we test single color dark dental trees. What preparations should we make before testing? First, arrange all machines according to the factory layout plan. Second, connect all equipment power cords. Third, check the functionality of all machines and run them without material. Once all machines are running well, we will proceed to the next step. Fourth, preheat the barrel and screw. It will take 1 hour for the machine to reach the set temperature. During this time, we will prepare 10 kg testing material. Fifth, workers will wear working clothes and gloves. Have the common used tools. Finally, once everything is ready, we will start to running the machines.